Test-driven development. What can it do for you? Let's first get an overview on drivers for software testing. Traditionally speaking, you want to find defects. It provides a better conscience. It measures quality and testifies towards the stakeholders. And you're more confident about applying changes to old code bases with a test base as a safety net. But in more modern times, one might want to prevent mistakes instead of finding them afterwards. By applying TDD, the real shift left. Be more scientific instead of trusting a gut feeling. Produce quality instead of incidentally finding it. And be sure of what you're doing instead of fighting resistance to change. Or, to use the parlance of our times, be more agile. What concrete arguments are there for applying TDD? Code produced the test-driven way is more readable, more scalable, maintainable, and of course more testable. But what it really makes it sexier for programmers is the possibility for short commits, which leads to no more merging conflicts. No need for debugging, which is a main source of knowledge loss. And last but not least, it lets you stop at any time to follow on other tasks and resume work after without losing context. How is this made possible? In traditional programming, most of the time is spent reading code that is either not compiling or breaking your tests, forcing you to stay tethered until you solve the problem, leaving you only a small amount of time of freedom. Applying TDD, this cannot happen, and you will end up with much more green time. Do you want to know more?